This is Dr. Firdousi Islamic English channel. I'm your speaker, presenter and director, Dr.Taj Firdousi. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's very nice to hear some people comment on my videos. Good, that's a good sign. Always I need your feedback, but I know what I am supposed to get from you, and before that I know what I have to give to you, what I have to present. I'm not giving anything new. I'm not bringing anything new which is unknown to you. It's the same thing, but what I do, everything that I do is like what a poet does. Like what a man who has got the intelligence, with the power of his intellectuality, he presents to the people their image, their picture, what they are. He doesn't describe, he shows with examples a mirror, and you see yourself, here you stand. Are you really the one who should be praised, who should be commended, who should have the words of worthiness of your deeds, your work, your amal? Amal is the action. These actions are monitored by the brain, and the brain has the control over heart, and the heart is motivated, and it gives the power to the brain, and the power of the brain moves your fingers, your hands and everything to steal something, to see something which is haram, and to do something and say something which is forbidden in Islam or even in humanity. People do that. People do because there is something wrong from their heart, and the message to the brain, and from the brain all these actions, multiple actions, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are these connections, starting from one single thing. Someone says, or they see someone doing, or the brain works. The brain works from external sources. Everything is from the external sources. That's called Satan. Mobiles, external source. Whatever you have in your hand is a mobile, but I will say that it's the son of a Satan. But the biggest enemy of human beings, a mobile. It has got thousands and thousands of facilities in human beings' life. At the same time, these media change the good things to bad things also. A man who can go and save a drowning person from water, from the river, the same hands will take a dagger and stab and kill. It is the same hand. We can't say the hand is bad and cut and throw because it killed. But you don't know that this hand saved somebody's life. So, it's the way the body is used. Who uses this? And before you act, there is only one thing you have to think. Before you act, your brain says something because it is commanded by heart and because of your nafs, you will do. But before that, close your eyes for a moment and say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammad Rasulullah. Ya Allah, guide me. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Iyyaka na'budu. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. The light will come to you. If it is bad, it's turned off. The hands which go there to grab somebody's property or money or doing something wrong, haram, the hands will stop. Because you asked permission, is it good or bad? Every time the decisions that we make may not be correct, may not be the facts. We may go wrong. People think that what you are doing is very good. It's a very good deed for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what you are doing. But actually it is forbidden in Islam. So, we don't know whether it is right or wrong what you do. people instigate saying that it is a good cause. But at the same time, when you ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will lead you on the right path and say, Ihdina sirat al-mustaqim. Yes. Yes, he says, do this one. Don't do that, because it is forbidden. So, ladies and gentlemen, before you do anything, always you say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and then remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and say, Ya Allah, Ya Rabbi, Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in, Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. And then you say, Ihdina sirat al-mustaqim, guide us. Ihdina, not ihdini, ihdina. All of us, you are the representative for all the people of mankind behind you. Guide us in the right, straight path. So before you do any kind of act, if you decide anything, when you decide immediately, don't take any action. For the time being, just wait. If it is a very hot discussion and something you want to do immediately, do. You have decided already, okay, leave it for 5 minutes. Nothing is going to wrong. Nothing is going to harm you. Nothing is going to be bad for your life. 5 minutes. You sit down, drink water and think, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. Say to yourself, is it really good? Is that really nice what I'm doing? That's what. The answer will come to you. If you say, Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in, Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Or read Surah Fatiha 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, complete Surah Fatiha and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, guide us. You are guided because that is the power of Quran. Surah Fatiha has the miracle. Surah Fatiha has the greatest power on the earth for you to put you on the right track. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much. This is the power of Surah Fatiha, taking the right decisions, right actions, and before that asking Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's permission and think twice before you do. Jazakallah khair. Wassalamu rahmatullah.